Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we're diving into something truly iconic, the return of a legend on Indian roads, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once the king of Indian streets and official government drives, the Ambassador is back with a bold makeover. But is it all nostalgia, or does it offer something for the modern era? Let's find out. Design: a timeless shape with modern twists. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ retains the signature silhouette that made it an icon, but everything else has been refined. The classic rounded curves and bold stance are still there, but this time with sharper lines, LED lighting, and alloy wheels that scream modern elegance. The grille is slightly wider, and chrome accents blend heritage with style. Hindustan Motors didn't try to reinvent the look, they respected it and upgraded it subtly for 2025 tastes. Interior: retro charm meets urban comfort. Step inside, and the blend of old-school charm and new-age tech is immediately noticeable. Forward panels and tan upholstery offer a retro vibe, while a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and ambient lighting make sure it's not stuck in the past. The cabin is more spacious, refined, and now equipped with features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a digital instrument cluster. It's a thoughtful blend of familiarity and functionality. Engine and performance: the 1800 ISZ legacy continues. The heart of the Ambassador 2025 is the trusted 1800 ISZ petrol engine, updated to meet BS6 Phase 2 norms. It's a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine with multi-point fuel injection, delivering a smooth 75 to 80 horsepower, nothing sporty, but adequate for urban and highway cruising. Paired with a 5-speed manual or optional automatic gearbox, the drive is calm, stable, and unmistakably Ambassador. You don't race this car, you cruise in it, soaking up every bit of nostalgia. Safety and technology: the modern must-haves. Hindustan Motors didn't forget safety. The new Ambassador comes with ABS, dual airbags, rear parking sensors, and optional traction control. The suspension has also been reworked to provide more comfort and less body roll, perfect for city potholes and long hauls alike. Verdict: heritage meets relevance. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ isn't just a re-release, it's a reimagining. It honors its roots while adapting to the expectations of today's drivers. For those who grew up with the Ambi or admire automotive legacy, this isn't just a car, it's an emotion. Thanks for watching Pro Wheelhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive legends reborn.